So we have another one of these Kaufman 5-car haulers here. We'll start from the front. If we look, we talk about the set bolts. The set bolts have been loose on this one, so the pinholes are getting beat out of it. Another thing you'll notice is that the trailer, this trailer particularly, has torsion axles on it. It's riding way too high in the front, so you're gonna be beating your back axles most because you only have 3.5 inches of travel on the torsion axle. So now as we come down here, the biggest things that you guys are running with these Kaufman trailers, these 5-cars especially, 99% of them that I see that come in here, this right here, these cracks right here, okay? All 4 corners, we'll walk around and look at it. This one's cracked here. If you get up in here, you'll see it's cracked all inside here. All right, you got the back end cracked over here where this tube comes down. It's cracked over here. This one here, we're almost broke all the way through the frame right here. Again, on this corner, it's broken up in the front over there. And then this corner too is broken down here. On the top over there, that's all cracked. And then you're also gonna wanna look up the crack right here. Those are the most common places that these trailers are cracking because the tube thickness is too thin. So the only way I've been able to find to fix them is we have to run plates. We're boxing in all this stuff. So we box in this, we box in the side, we tie the main tube into the other tubes and disperse that energy out a little bit. Now the special part about this one is the pin tube broke, which then broke the hinge point over here, and that whole back cross tube is busted out of it. This one's really special in the sense of, I suggested to the customer that it's so bad that I don't know if he wants to make the investment to fix it. And then you have things like leaking hubs, you know, obviously your standard walk around. To check that. The brakes don't look very good on this thing. The electrical's not very good. His plug isn't working very good. And a lot of this is just neglect and not doing, you know, the pre-trips, not keeping up on the warning signs of when things are breaking, when they're wearing out. You can see different signs. So all you guys running those Kaufman trailers, especially these 5-cars, pay attention to those corners, because once those corners start to fail, which I haven't seen one yet that hasn't cracked, then the whole thing starts to fail. And don't let anybody tell you that you can just weld the crack up and be good. You have to box and plate all that stuff in and tie in more metal to it. So just another thing to look for.